Hello, this is Mark from I'm Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And what time is it? It's harvest time of our tomatoes, our heirloom tomatoes. I'm going to do a quick harvest today. Hopefully it will take less than a half hour and collect as many tomatoes as I can. We have Hurricane Ida coming, and we're supposed to get dumped on about another 4 to 6 inches of rain again on our area and get saturated once again. So I want to get these tomatoes off the vine and into our trays here in front of me and have them deliciously sitting when our rainstorm comes by in another day. Like it says, we're in a flash flood warning. Right down the road is a creek, and that's supposed to overflow easily once again and in the surrounding ponds and just take off. So we're going to see how things work out for us. And yes, it's been a difficult week for a lot of people with the current news that's going on, but hopefully you enjoy the video and help you distract it, and our prayers for everybody else out there. So let's start with this cluster here and get some of these vines out of the way. What this is a very interesting morning glory that wishes to take off or something like that. Oh, nice and beautiful. Let's see. Here we go. Nice. Look at that. Awesome. Just a delight. Place them in our tray first here. So I'm able to harvest all of these. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12 of them. Some are green, but I don't want them to split, so I'm harvesting them ahead of time here. Now I'm going to move on to my next variety. Now again, they're buried in here. Let's move some of this stuff out of the way for you. You can see here. Now these are beautiful, nice and large. And there's our first one, like so. Nice. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. I think this variety is called Striped German. Let's go get this other one here. Nice. There's a couple down below here. Like so. Oy. Looking good. We'll add this one in. Things are going very well. Got a nice little harvest going on here. They're looking great. I'm going to say any of these weigh at least 3/4 pound to at least a pound each. I haven't weighed any yet, so I want to be exact on my numbers. But they're looking delicious. Can't wait to have a BLT tomorrow. So we can see here, this is one of my beautiful favorites, is yellow pear tomatoes. It's not a disease in here, and I just want to show you that I do not remove suckers from any of my tomato plants. I don't remove leaves, and these beautiful yellow pears are doing very nicely, but they are cracking also due to the weather. To cut this video short, it's starting to drizzle. I don't know if it's just the humidity. Humidity is about like 90% right now, and it's about 95 degrees, and we're expecting Hurricane Ida to come in tonight and then drench us once again. This is our third hurricane. We've had tropical storm, I should be saying. Tropical storm Fred we had, tropical storm Henri, and then Ida now. This is just non-stop madness for us, but the tomatoes are doing very well. It's great to grow them in real soil and making sure that Soil Food Web is delivering everything to them. Just delicious. Can't wait to get into them. I want to thank you very much for watching our beautiful little harvest here, and things are going to go very well for all of us in the future. I always keep a positive attitude. I know it's been difficult on a lot of people, and yes, my son who's a Marine, I think of him daily and pray for the others. I'll talk to you all soon again. Thanks.